on DVD.
Did I miss anything?
When the surprises are this big and the secrets are this shocking.
It's adultery.
Luckily, we're both adults.
It has to be Desperate Housewives, the complete 6th season.
Rule number 1, never sleep with your friend's ex-husband.
Bring home the season of new beginnings.
I love him. Did you hear me?
I heard you. I was swallowing vomit.
Second chances.
We can't afford to make waves here.
And all the scandals
You're pregnant?
of television's hottest show.
Why are you having an affair with someone you don't even like? Did I mention the sex?
See what you've been missing. Own every addictive season 6 episode.
Hello, Mike.
Whoa,
What are you looking at?
your little secret.
God, you know about the twins?
Yeah, I have eyes.
With exclusive bonus features that reveal more than ever before.
Well, yeah.
Desperate Housewives, the complete 6th season on DVD.